So what's up mga kanong is very important in video. Punta tayo ngayon ng Mindanao. Ayan na. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 3.
Wanna start a new life,
Yan.
but it seems to be rather absurd. When I
Paumaga.
know the truth
Ayan.
is that I always think of you. Someday,
Shout out nga pala dyan sa aking mga
together we will be
solid reporter.
I'll take and you will take the time. We'll wait for our fate, 'cause nobody
Yan ang tayo
owns
mga
us,
kalong
baby. We can shake, we can
Alas
shake
4 ng umaga ang ating flight.
Try to throw the picture out of
Kaya dito na
my
tayo
mind.
magpa umaga.
Try to leave the memory